Praise be to Jesus. Lay Catholics will pray at two Atlanta Catholic churches this weekend, where Archbishop Wilton Gregory has provided a venue for a leading pro-homosexual Jesuit priest to spread his pro-LGBT message. A Rosary for Reparation is scheduled for Saturday evening at St. Thomas More Catholic Church and Sunday morning at Catholic Shrine of the Immaculate Conception, where Father James Martin, S.J., will give his Building a Bridge talk at the invitation of Gregory. Martin has continually promoted the book and its pro-LGBT message since its June 2017 release. He told participants at the World Meeting of Families in Ireland in August that active homosexuals should be invited into parish ministries, specifically mentioning them becoming Eucharistic ministers in order to make them welcome and accepted in the Catholic Church. Opposition to Martin from Catholics, whether lay or clergy, stems from his persistent push to normalize homosexuality. Martin's LGBT-affirming campaign has led, noted Professor Janet Smith, a moral theologian at Sacred Heart Major Seminary in Detroit, to pose that the need exists for the U.S. bishops to assess the faithfulness of his work. I am thinking we should all write our bishops and ask them to ask the U.S. bishops to determine the fidelity of Father James Martin's work, she said on Facebook. And if anyone is interested in getting up a petition, I am sure we could collect a zillion signatures. Okay, well, that's it for that story, so talk to you later. Bye.